This morning, I was accosted by 3 men carrying some poor soul's head atop a pike. Seems they mistook my uniform for a mark of nobility and demanded I shout, "Long live the Republic," to prove my allegiance.
I suppose handing out tricolor cockades is now passé. What did you do?
I shouted, "Long live the Republic."
A man of principle.
Life is more valuable than dignity. But this is what happens when you give command of the government to half-starved lunatics and command of the army to bloodthirsty savages.
Rui.
I wanted him assigned to some out-of-the-way garrison, but the man redefines the term friends in high places. He's untouchable.
But you know where I can find him.
Rumor about the barracks is that he and a unit of his cronies plan on marching on the Grand Châtelet this afternoon. If he were to meet with an accident, few in France would suffer. My career certainly wouldn't.
Well, practice your speech-making.
Get their weapons. Nobody try anything. Come on, boys! Find me a warden!
Vous n'avez jamais vu
comment du coup? Hands where I can see them! Monsters! Keep still! No tricks! This is inhuman! Keep an eye on them, bastards! Sons of bitches! Silence!
I'll finish you quick if you ask! Bloody conservative!
serve with, but thank you.
You can thank me by getting to the walls and stopping these killings.
Oui, monsieur.
Fucking hell. What a mess.
What do we do with the bodies?
Get ready! Tumble's on its way.
More traitors to deal with.
Look at these posh bastards.
Hold fast, men! Cut them down! Protect the prisoners!
Death to the traitors!
Beat them back! Vive la révolution!
Steady!
Into the breach!
Hold that line!
Kill them all!
Stay down!
Cur!
More freely
Bloody
on
right, I suppose.
Too bad.
Anyone else?
He's on the roof.
Good lad. Come on, boys. Upstairs.
Look, Warden! Your brother's here to visit. But don't you want to see him? Come now, Warden. Let's have a cheer. Vive la Révolution! What's the matter? Not a fan of liberty? Freedom bores you? Get you right in! Look! Tut, tut, Warden! Your brother will think you rude! Mind, he's lost a bit of weight since last you saw him.
Oh, are you sulking, Warden?
Is someone there?
Hold a moment.
Can't stop us.
That's it! Break your full neck! Where did
Pretty
he...
odd. He's right in front of me.
Something's not right. What was that? What's that?
orders to remove us from this hall. You must also get authority to use force. For we shall yield to nothing but bayonets!
Ah, to administer is to govern. To govern is to reign. That is the essence of the problem.
Mr. Mirabeau.
Pathetic, isn't it? Surely France deserves better.
What was that? Roy, clean up your mess, it's time.
Told you I could make him talk.
You've done well, Captain. Breathe.
The price of grain is higher than ever, Grand Master. Our agents are in place to divert the shipments to our docks. They await only your command.
Good. Starve them. Through famine and fury, they will see their false masters for what they are, but do it gradually.
What you're asking will take at least a year, Grand Master. If not two.